Bitcoin continues its descent after receiving a sell signal right here. We are at a crucial point, about to retest this structure support. With that said, the indicators are not quite where I'd like to see them in anticipation of a possible move up. So this is really concerning to me. Today I'm going to talk to you about where I think Bitcoin's going next and everything you need to know to prepare for the next move. Before we jump into the charts, I want to let you know there is a brand new crypto forecast video out. This is members only content. It's going to go over the scalping trades that we've been doing with Riot. We're also going to showcase the new trades in favor indicator that will be released very soon. We'll also be talking about Bitcoin a little bit, so if you want to check that out, this is members only content from the founder of Trade Confident himself. Be sure to grab a membership at the links in the description. But for now, let's get into the charts. I'm going to take you straight to the Trade Confident homepage. We're 22 wins, 0 losses on our members scalping trades. We're going to go down to the Bitcoin metrics right here. And the first metric we're taking a look at is the Bitcoin emotional index. After the price peaked up here, the emotional index also peaked in excited territory. And as the price has dropped, so has the emotional index. Currently, we are residing in neutral territory, but as the price continues dropping, we will likely see this drop into anxious territory. Now, that's an if. A lot of this today is going to be an if. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market right now, so we need to be taking a look at the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. Volatility has reduced from yesterday, as you can see right here. We're still kind of in the middle, not super low, not super high volatility. However, depending on what this next move is, I think we could actually push into high volatility soon. At that point, we'll likely see some consolidation for a little bit before the next move, and we'll have to keep you updated. But for now, we're going to look at the Bitcoin whale smart money metric. We have just barely pushed back into long trade sentiment. Because of how small this reading actually is, this tells me that whales are honestly feeling more neutral than anything, but overall trade sentiment is flipping and we should be seeing some long trades soon. So even if we do see a small drop, I do anticipate long trades coming into the market, and with that, the price rising back up too. Next up, you're going to want to look at the Bitcoin major support and resistance chart. We are currently seeing structural resistance here with $26,965. Honestly, I would just consider this a support that we're testing. If we break farther than this, I think we're going to drop to $25,810. Next up is the Bitcoin long versus short trades chart. As usual, long trades are wildly higher than short trades here. This is super bullish long-term for Bitcoin. Honestly, the scale is a little bit hard to see, but it does seem like long trades are about to start coming into the market, as we saw from the whale smart money metric right here. Last but not least is the Bitcoin daily trade scanner. We got a buy signal right here that resulted in a beautiful move up, which ended in a sell signal and a subsequent move back down. So with that, I'm personally looking for a buy signal again. As soon as we get that, this is likely where we're going to see the next move up in Bitcoin. We got a strong buy back here with a crazy move up, buy signal right here with a move up, buy signal right here with a move up. This is super consistent. So as soon as we see that buy signal, I'm really excited, and this could be a great entry for Bitcoin. Of course, not financial advice there. No matter who you are though, whether you're an expert or beginner trader, you're going to be wanting to pay attention to what Bitcoin does, and these metrics are going to be essential. Where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market goes too. So if you want to get access to these metrics, those crazy scalping trade calls we've been making, if you want to get access to that future forecast video and see the brand new trades in favor indicator that's coming out super soon, you can grab a membership at the links in the description down below. Just go and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our homepage. Go up to subscribe, fill out your information, and you're going to want to grab the full access for $59 a month. This includes every single one of our membership benefits, everything you need to get started as a trader. Just go ahead and click choose, follow the prompts, and you're good to go. We look forward to trading with you, and with that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at Bitcoin on the 1-day time frame. Right here, what we're seeing is an ascending channel pattern, and at the same time, we're also seeing a symmetrical triangle play out right here. Currently, the price is testing the bottom structure support of the ascending channel pattern as we close in on the apex of the triangle. At the same time, the price versus while money flow is still in the middle of its chart, not quite where I'd like it to see, unfortunately, for the next move up. And the same goes for the trend exhaustion. We are still residing in the middle section. And part of this is just because as we close in on the symmetrical triangle pattern, volatility will be smaller and smaller. Pressure is going to build before the next impulse move. The only question is, which direction is this impulse move going to go? I'll be honest with you, there is more bullish signs than bearish. It is more likely to head up just based on technical analysis. There's a lot of different patterns playing out, and there's actually one that I'm not going to show you as Travis showcased this in the members only content. It's really important. It's one of the most bullish patterns you can get in crypto, and it has been playing out over the past few weeks in Bitcoin. However, even just based on this ascending channel pattern and the symmetrical triangle pattern, symmetrical triangles tend to be neutral patterns. More often than not, if they start in an uptrend, they'll likely end in an uptrend as well. That's super bullish. With that, price versus while money flow is beginning to move up just a little bit here. Trend exhaustion is beginning to move up, and what this tells me is If we reject off of this structure support, we're more than likely going to bounce right here. We'll test right here and likely break out to the upside. Now, in previous videos, you had seen me predict a move all the way up here to retest the absolute top of this bear market so far at $31,200. I still think this is in the cards, but due to the lower volatility in the market, I do want to bring right here, I want to bring our attention to structure resistance at $29,897. Just call that an even $29,900. If we break to the upside, that will be the point that I'm looking at. That will be the next structure resistance we test. With that in mind, we still have to pay attention to how high the price versus while money flow actually is currently. While it's not considered a high as it would be right here, an expectation of a move down, it's still much higher than it should be when we're testing structure support, and this has me worried, especially with the trend exhaustion still in its middle area as well. This tells me that there is potential for a small break down here. This is not great to see. However, even if we do see this, I don't expect it to be a crazy move down, just a small one before moving back up. I think that would land right about here at 25,793, just as we saw on the support and resistance metric. This coincides directly with a previous buy signal, and we have multiple touches back here as well. This is a really strong structure support, so even if we break down, I think it really is just going to move to that area before bouncing back up. Either way, my target will be about $29,897 moving forward. From the current price, if we do break down, this is only about a 4% drop. Nothing too scary. Honestly, this tends to happen even like within like a day. We can see right here, Litecoin actually moved 5% today. This is honestly not much. However, from the current price, if we move up, this is going to be a move of about 10% or even as high if we make it to that $31,000 mark, as high as 15.79%. That's super exciting. You're going to want to be paying attention to these indicators as this plays out. Things are getting a little bit complicated. Things are feeling a little uncertain, and these indicators will guide you through the market. You can get them for up to $400 off right now, and if you want to get access, you can find them at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link. Go ahead and click that, and it will bring you to our store page. Just go ahead and click I want this. Fill out your information right here. Click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for just $349 instead of the regular $749. This is a $400 discount offer. Just go ahead and click add to cart right here. It'll give you that full $400 off. Make sure your information is correct. Click pay again, and you will be the proud owner of all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators. Once you have the indicators loaded up, in order to anticipate the next move, we're just looking for the price versus while money flow to be low, trend exhaustion to be low, and ideally I'd like to see a buy signal. All three of these will combine to be some of the most bullish signals you can possibly get, and that's where I'm looking for the next move up in Bitcoin. So with that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.